All right, all right, all right. All right, 5-Minute Traders NASDAQ this morning on Tuesday, August 8th. Listen, have we seen these prices here for quite a while? Absolutely. We've been in this make or break range here after running up for that 3+ weeks. We had the big sell-off, and we've come back to the fib now 2 times. Yesterday was the second time. Today we're climbing back there again. I'm seeing now that I want to be short. I want to be short the NASDAQ finally, and I'm going to give it some time. All right, so I'm going to give it 100 points. 6027 is my stop. So you can start selling 59.27 and higher. I am short 59.27, and we'll be looking for a break. And the thing that's changing, however, is I'm going to put this out there. We are now looking at a point of control that is right here at 58.98. So if we come down about 30 points, you're going to have to take off half your position at least just to be responsible. Now, if it breaks below 58.34, we're going to go lower, and you can always sell that other half back on there. So here's what I would do. Again, I'm short here at 59.27. I'm looking for a move at least to 5900. Take half off and then look to add it back on if we come back to 59.40, and then I would wait for 6,000, and then I would sell some more right near the stop at 60.24, and then I'd be stopping above that. So I've got basically 4 levels of selling, 1 lots, 2 lots, whatever you want to sell, your size. So if you're going to go up to 40, sell 10, 10, 10, 10 here. Take 5 off here, sell 10 here, and then sell 10 another. If it comes off, then you want to sell it back at 59.40. So we want to trade this around. But again, this hasn't done much. If you go back to the 19th of July, we were at these same prices. So this is 3 weeks later. We had the spike higher, then the correction. Which was, again, news-based. We've had a couple corrections, but with Trump off for the next 17 days, but, what president really takes time off? Who knows? Let's take a stab. I think people are expecting nothing to happen, and I just think this market's got to take a break into the fall here. But if it doesn't, again, we've defined the risk. So we are short 59.27. We will sell up to 60.27 on a close. So until we close over 60.27, I don't stop on positions until we close over my stop area. That's how I trade. And it's position trading. It's not day trading. It's not swing trading. So keep that in mind. And we hope you have a good day. But again, we've been stuck in the muck here. This is now going on over 3 weeks at these same prices outside of spike higher, spike lower. We've basically been at the same price every single day we have traded 59.25. Pretty much you can see that except for 1 day, 1 or 2 days, we've traded this price every single day. It's like the market is closed. And that is drawing the price higher up here on the point of control. So keep that in mind. This is a lot of people want to be bullish here, and you could take that trade also, and you could say, hey, I want to be bullish down to 58.34 and trade up to 60.40, looking for profits that way. It's your choice. We're kind of in the middle here. I'm just saying we've been at this price for a long time. We can't go higher yet and, risk 100 points from the starting position. But at the end, my position is going to be closer to 6,000 is where I really want to be larger in my sell. But in the meantime, I want to have my toes in the water. I want to trade, and I'm going to take a position that I'm going to bet and bet that more downside is prevalent than upside. Whether or not that happens, only time can tell. So if you have any questions, send me an email, Matt@OneMinuteTrader.TV. We're doing a ton of podcasts right now. I love the short format. I hope you like it too. The 1 Minute Trader, we can teach a lot, share a lot with our listeners, and please tell your friends about the podcast. And hope you're enjoying the great trade ideas that we're providing every day. I'm amazed at when I go back and look at what we've provided, how much the trade ideas continue to pay for multiple years of our service. service, and that's if you're just a real small one-lot trader. So keep that in mind. Tell your friends, and we appreciate you trusting us with your business, and we'll talk to you on the other side. Take care.